In this video, we will show you how to effectively clean mold from your walls. If the drywall exhibits signs of deterioration or any other form of damage, the wall section should be removed and replaced with new material. Before you start cleaning the area, locate and repair the source of the moisture. You want to do this because the mold will continue to regrow even after the wall has been cleaned. If you're not able to find what's causing the mold growth, consider consulting a professional. We highly recommend consulting with a licensed mold remediation professional for areas over 10 square feet and larger mold infestations. You will need the following supplies: gloves, a dust mask, pair of safety glasses, a brush, some detergent, Lysol sanitizing wipes, clean cloth, and a vacuum with a HEPA filter. You should always remember to use personal protective equipment when dealing with mold. Here are 10 simple steps to remove mold from your walls. Number 1. Open any windows present to allow ventilation. Number 2. Use a vacuum cleaner equipped with a HEPA filter to carefully remove any mold spores on the surface of the wall. HEPA filters are capable of trapping extremely small particles such as mold spores. Number 3. Once the wall has been vacuumed, begin by applying the detergent to the brush or directly to the surface. Number 4. Begin scrubbing the wall in a circular motion. Avoid oversaturating the wall because this could provide an additional source of moisture for the mold. Number 5. Once the moldy material has been scrubbed, dry the area with a cloth. Number 6. Sanitize the surface by wiping it down with the Lysol sanitizing wipes. This helps to kill any remaining mold spores on the surface of the wall. Number 7. Dry the area again. At this point, it's normal to see some stains remaining on the wall's surface. Don't worry, this doesn't mean that there's still mold present on your wall. Number 8. Place a fan next to the wall and allow the area to dry. The process could take up to 24 hours. In this video, we used an industrial-grade fan. However, any fan would serve this purpose. Number 9. Assess the area after 24 hours. You can use a moisture meter to test the wall to ensure it is completely dry. The wall should be completely dry. Some stains may still be visible. And number 10, now you can repaint the area. The mold will not regrow as long as the moisture problem has been corrected. We hope this video provided some useful tips when removing mold from your walls.